The journey of thousand miles begins with a single step. Being deeply loved by someone gives you strength, while loving someone deeply gives you courage. He who knows doesn't speak, he who speaks doesn't know. A leader is best when people barely know he exists. When his work is done, his aim fulfilled, they will say, "We did it ourselves." Nature doesn't hurry, yet everything is accomplished. Mastering others is strength, mastering yourself is true power. Kindness in words creates confidence, kindness in thinking creates profoundness, and kindness in giving creates love. Do the difficult things when they are easy, do the great things when they are small. If you don't change directions, you may end up where you are heading. To the mind that is the whole universe surrenders. Be content with what you have. Rejoice in the way things are. When you realize there is nothing lacking, the whole world belongs to you. When I let go of what I am, I become what I might be. Knowing others is wisdom, knowing yourself is enlightenment. Nothing is softer or more flexible than water, yet nothing can resist it. When you are content to be simply yourself and don't compare or compete, everybody will respect you. He who knows enough is enough will always have enough. Health is the greatest possession. Contentment is the greatest treasure. Confidence is the greatest friend. Non-being is the greatest joy. I have just three things to teach: simplicity, patience, compassion. Those who have knowledge don't predict. Those who predict don't have knowledge. In dwelling, live close to the ground. In thinking, keep to the simple. In conflict, be fair and generous. In governing, don't try to control. In work, do what you enjoy. In family life, be completely present. Life and death are one thread, the same line viewed from different sides. He who doesn't trust enough will not be trusted. Truthful words aren't beautiful. Beautiful words aren't truthful. Good words aren't persuasive. And persuasive words aren't good. To lead people, walk behind them. If you realize that all things change, there is nothing you will try to hold on to. If you are not afraid of dying, there is nothing you cannot achieve. Respond intelligently, even to the unintelligent treatment. The snow goose doesn't need to bath to make itself white. Never need you do anything but be yourself. To realize that you don't understand is a virtue. Not to realize that you don't understand is a defeat. Man's enemies aren't demons, but human beings like him. Time is a created thing. To say, "I don't have time," is like saying, "I don't want to." The best fighter is never angry. If you are depressed, you are living in the past. If you are anxious, you are living in the future. But if you are at peace, you are living in present. The flame that burns twice as bright burns half as long. If you correct your mind, the rest of your life will fall into its place. Which one you like the most? Do share with me in the comments. Thank you for watching.